C.
C. What letter is this?
C.
Next.
O.
O. What letter is this?
M.
No. M kebalik. Double.
T.
W. Ya ada W. Ulang ya. What letter is this?
P.
What letter is this? A, B, C.
D.
Nah, this one is letter.
C. D.
This one is letter D.
D.
Letter D. Hai, welcome back to my channel. Kembali lagi dengan Mama dan
Yonna.
today we are going to learn English. And today's topic is review about animals. Are you ready, Yonna?
I'm ready.
Let's start.
Start.
Okay, now Mama will show you 6 pictures and let's mention one by one. Okay?
Okay. Go.
What is this?
Go.
Goat.
Go.
What is this?
Go.
Goat. Repeat after Mama. Goat.
Go.
Goat.
Go.
Goat.
Go.
Goat.
Go.
This is a goat.
This is a goat.
What is this?
Cow.
Cow. Cow.
Cow.
Cow.
Cow.
Repeat after Mama. Cow.
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 This is a cow.
This is a cow. Goose.
Oh no.
Duck.
Yes. What is this?
Duck.
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 Repeat after Mama. Duck.
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 This is a duck.
This is a duck. Chicken.
Chicken. Repeat after Mama. Chicken.
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 This is a chicken.
This is a chicken.
Next.
Sheep.
Sheep. Repeat after Mama. Sheep.
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 This is a sheep.
This is a sheep.
Last.
Goose.
What is this?
Goose.
Goose. Repeat after Mama. Goose.
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 This is a goose.
This is a goose.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job, Yonna.
Mama.
Now it's time to
Watch it.
worship. Are you ready, Yonna?
I'm ready.
Let's go. This is worship 1. You have to match the animals with the correct word by drawing line. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Yonna, what letter is this?
G.
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 Next.
O.
O. Next.
O.
O. Next.
S.
S. Next.
T.
E.
E.
E. Letter E. Goose. Goose. Which one is goose? Good job. Next, this one. What letter is this?
S.
S. What letter is this?
H.
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 What letter is this?
K.
A. E.
E.
What letter is this?
E.
E. What letter is this?
E.
E. What letter is this?
A.
Ini
P.
P. P. Sheep. Which one is sheep? Sheep. Good job.
Kayak H.
Next, this one. What letter is this? Letter
K.
G. What letter is this?
O.
O. Next,
A.
letter A. Next letter
T.
T. So, goat.
Good.
Which one is goat?
Oh, ini dekat. Ini dekat nih. Dari sini dekat.
Good job.
Ini kok dekat sama ini.
Next,
Ini kok sama.
Yonna. What letter is this?
C.
C. What letter is this?
C.
Next,
O.
O. What letter is this?
M.
No. M kebalik. Double.
Tip.
W. Yonna, W. Ulang ya. What is this?
C.
C. What letter is this?
O.
O. What letter is this?
W.
W. This one is cow.
K.
Which one is cow?
This one dekat cow.
Baca dulu. What letter is this?
P.
What letter is this? A, B, C.
D.
Nah, this one is letter.
C. D.
This one is letter D.
D.
Letter D.
D.
D. What letter is this?
U.
U. What letter is this?
C.
C. What letter is this?
L.
K.
K.
Letter. Oh, this one is duck.
Duck.
Which one is duck? Is this duck?
No.
This is duck. This one is duck. No?
No, ini ada garis mudaan.
Ini apa? What is this?
Goose.
Goose. Good job. This is worksheet 2. You have to circle the right picture based on the question. Okay? Question number 1. Which one is a cow? Is this a cow?
No, this one.
Good job. You have to circle cow.
Okay.
Circle yang cantik ya. Good job.
Tinggal setengah.
Question number 2. Which one is chicken? Is this chicken?
No, this one.
Yeah. Question number 3. Which one is a goat? This one is a goat. This is worksheet 3. You have to trace the words. Okay?
Next letter. Yonna letter N. Ayo, N-nya belum selesai.
Ini nama Yonna.
Oke, bacanya apa ini? Chicken. C. Letter C. Next letter O. Next letter M kembali. W. Bacanya cow. Good job. Letter S. Letter H. H. Letter E. Kembali. Good. Next letter P. Nah, good job. Bacanya apa? Bacanya apa?
Okay friends, that's all for today. See you on our next video. If you like this video, don't forget to give us like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel YouTube. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye.